Is there a difference? Ooh, I actually got this for free. It's... Oh my god. Oh. It's very gray. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Sheglam haul and first impressions, okay? So for those of you who don't know, Sheglam is actually the makeup brand by Shein, and I've been seeing a lot of hype on them being really affordable but yet good quality on TikTok. So I thought I would kind of collate everything and buy them all and give you guys the once and for all haul. Obviously, these are some of the things that I read that were good. I also did buy quite a few that not many people talked about, so that, you know, I can see whether or not I can find some good gem here. So first up, I got the Sheglam Skinfinite Hydrating Foundation. So this is how it looks like, and on the website there are a lot of shades. I went for the shade Shell. Ooh, it actually comes with like a velvet suede pouch. Really bougie, Max. And I think it was like 13 Sing dollars only. This was one of the most expensive thing in my cart. And in fact, the finishing and everything does feel quite expensive. It even comes with a pump. Let's try. Okay. Texture is those kind of like quite runny type of liquid foundation. I'm gonna apply it like how I usually would, so... Oh, it actually goes on very sheer, I would say. Texture is like a serum. Doesn't smell like anything at all. But it kind of disappears when it went on my face. Very light coverage. Okay, so this is with 2 layers on one side and no makeup on the other side. Is there a difference? Yeah, I do see a difference, and it's starting to settle in. There's a nice glow to it, but it's really light coverage. I would say it's like a tinted serum. Definitely for people with dry skin, and preferably not a person with textured skin, because I do see it slowly starting to settle into the lines, but it feels comfortable. I got myself the Mystic Contouring Palette because I saw a creator on TikTok talk so much about this. This is the powder one, and it looks really quite dark. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna swatch the powder on my hands, starting with this, the bright side. Okay, yellow powder. It's not too bad, I would say. This one has a bit of shimmer. And let's go in with the contour side. They look very warm. I'm scared. Okay. Tanned Goddess. A bit of fallout, but not too crazy. Ooh. Not bad. Ooh, this is definitely going to be the shade I will use. And lastly, Chocolate Cake. Not bad. Okay, I didn't actually buy a concealer, so I'm going to use my own. And I'll be back. Okay, and I'm back. So I let the foundation settle in a little bit. It does look quite shiny, and it's accentuating my textures quite a bit. Yeah. I don't have high hopes that it's gonna last beautifully throughout the day. But I mean, it's $13. Maybe I bought the wrong foundation to try, because a lot of people said that the Balm one is actually very similar to the KVD Beauty one. But I didn't like the KVD Beauty Good Apple foundation, which is why I didn't try it. But it's okay. Let's set this with the bright side. You can see it's really pigmented. So I'm just gonna tap it. Okay. I guess powder is powder. It's not the most fine, but it does its job. I'm gonna try the vanilla one on the other side to see if it brightens my under eye better. It makes me look very, very yellow. But it does brighten a little bit. This is the highlight shade. Not bad. Not bad. A bit frosty, but I'm not complaining. Not too bad, I would say. Okay, I also got the legendary Sheglam Sun Sculpt Liquid Contour. It's actually bigger than I thought because I thought it was like really tiny. I got it in the shade Soft Tan, so fingers crossed. Oh, it's very grey. Okay, but we're here to test the formula. Shade-wise, it's a trial and error, like it's a hit or miss. Using my usual brush. Oh, it's very easy to blend. Ooh. Apart from the shade, okay? Let's not talk about the shade. I'm really bad at picking shades. I don't know what is wrong with me. Why did I choose something so grey? But formula is quite impressive. It's pigmented, it's blendable, it's very easy to apply. You just dot it around your face. It's okay. I'm gonna go in with this to kind of bring the warmth back. I like this. I also got a liquid blush. This one is in the shade Love Cake. I pretty much chose the one that has the hot sticker. Ooh, this color it's like a cupcake color. Let's try it. Oh, a bit bubblegummy. It's like a bubblegum pink color. It's very like Barbie. Not the most suitable for our Asian skin tone. I think you need to be quite cool tone and fair in order to pull this shade off, but color payoff, I'm loving. Blendability, loving. I love how it's not actually patchy and it's not settling into the lines or pores. And don't forget, I set it with powder. And don't forget, we actually had a layer of powder over and it's actually blending very seamlessly into the powder. Wow! How much is this? How much is this? I actually got this for free because there was a promo going on, but otherwise it's 7 Sing dollars. I'm going to buy other shades. It's amazing. Eyeshadow, I got myself this tiny one because I thought like I have a lot of big massive eyeshadow palettes already. So something I can throw in my purse. This is the Cosmic Crystal Eyeshadow Quart in Spellbound. It's quite your everyday color. It's got 2 mattes and 2 shimmer. So let's give it a swatch. Okay, okay. Color is nice. Ooh, the dark one is pretty good. Now let's try the glitter. Okay, these 2 glitter shades are very similar in color, I gotta say. Can you see? I think the quality is like something that you can find at Etude. Not your best high-end quality, but not bad. It goes on a little bit grey. At least in person, I don't think this is a very nice shade. But formula-wise is okay, not bad. Okay, underneath the waterline. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the deeper red now. Deeper in the outer corners. Oh, this is pigmented. This is very easy to blend, I must say. Then I'm taking this glitter shade, just using my fingers. I think that's the easiest. Oh my god, this is really like a little bit frosty. I got an eyeliner. It's the Line and Define Waterproof Liquid Liner. It's like this. It's cute. It's mean, I have no words. Okay. It's definitely not the most opaque, for sure. And you have to go in quite a few times to build up the color. But I like the felt tip. Nah, this is a pass for me. The formula is way too liquidy. It takes a bit too long to set. It's very, very not opaque. But look at that. It's taking so long to set. I already transferred it to my upper eyelid and my lower eyelid. Don't waste your money. It's very bad. Lastly, I bought some falsies, and these are your typical kind of dolly looking falsies, but I saw this, which is a All Eyes on You eyelash glue liner that looks really interesting. And look at the packaging. It's got like a curve like this. Supposedly it's easier, I guess. And this is the clear liner. They have a black one, so apparently it's easy for you to just apply it like on your eye. Okay, the next one I'm gonna apply onto falsies and see if it's easier. Falsies are okay quality. They're not exactly the cheapest. The liner glue is a flop, and I would say I'm pretty good at sticking falsies. Lashes are okay. They're really thin and flimsy, so I don't expect myself to be able to reuse them very often. And like the longer parts are way too long, the shorter parts are way too short. It looks weird. What do you guys think? It's okay. It's a 5/10. Lashes were $4.50. This is a no. I can get it much cheaper on Taobao. $4.50 is honestly really quite expensive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are only 5 pairs, so it's 90 cents per pair. It's not cheap at all. Eyelash adhesive liner is $5. I would say this is not even half as good as the usual free ones that you get in like a eyelash set. You know what? I'm gonna try and see if I can layer this as a lipstick because I don't have a lipstick. But let me just wipe off my gloss and I think you definitely can, but the color is very sheer, so probably not as a lipstick. Okay folks, final look. You guys be the judge. Let me know whether it looks good. Right off the bat, I gotta say I was quite blown away by quite a few things. Definitely your liquid blushes and your liquid contour. Like, I think they are worth the hype. I mean, for $7, you really get good quality and it's very easy to use, beginners friendly. I don't know how it's gonna last. I hope it's gonna last well. This is also something that you can check out. Oh, it's 10 Sing dollars, which is really quite affordable. Quality of the powder, it's not bad. Obviously not like extremely finely milled, but it does its job well, and you have 6 different shades for you to choose from. But honestly, I feel like these 3, as well as this one, is good for our Asian skin tone. Eyeshadow is not too bad considering this was only $6. I think I would choose a different color the next time I go for this, but formula-wise, not bad. Then we have our not sure kind of a product, which is the Sheglam Skinfinite Hydrating Foundation. I would say this is not really a foundation. It's more of like a skin tinted serum or tinted moisturizer because it's so light. But for those of you who are looking for an everyday, no makeup, barely there kind of look, you just want to pile on something to even out your skin tone and leave the house, maybe this is a good one for you. I definitely will be looking out for others, but at least on my skin it feels very nice and lightweight, easy and comfortable to wear. Misses, definitely your eyeliner as well as this adhesive liner. I don't think they do it well at all. I think these are absolute waste of money, so do not check it out. Last but not the least, this is something that is like a, you can't really go wrong with it, but it's kind of pricey. And I expected to pay less or get better quality with $4.50 for 5 pairs of falsies. Yeah, it is what it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Talk to me in the comments box down below. Let me know what are some of your favorite Sheglam products that I didn't try out in this video and I should check out. That will be really helpful for everyone, including myself. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!